Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the dark mode on your or enable the dark mode or dark theme on your Opera browser on your computer on your Windows. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to enable the dark mode on your Opera browser on your computer or Windows PC? I'm just going to show this video. First of all, you just need to click on the easy setup on the top. Now you can find an option called theme, so you can just click on the dark option here, which actually change everything to the dark. For an example, here you can see on the top it's actually on the color white color, and also here also everything is on the dark color, white color, lighter color. You just click on this, you can click on the dark option, which actually turn everything to the dark mode. You can see this is everything is changed to the dark mode. The speed dial and the surroundings has been changed to the dark mode, and this option also has been changed to the dark mode. So this is the way that you can just turn on the dark mode. You can just go inside the setting, everything will be changed to the dark mode. So you can just change to switch to the dark mode or lighter mode. Just click on the easy setup, click on the dark option, it turn to the dark mode or dark theme. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.